Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the slow motion video in CapCut Pc. Okay, I already add the video to the thread, and to make the slow motion effect, you are just going to split the clip. So I'm just going to split the clip in this section and until this section. So just tap on the split icon again and select the clip you want to make this slow-mo, and I'm just going to select the middle clip and just going to speed and select normal speed, and you are just going to swipe to the left or slower, and you can also turn on the smooth slow-mo to can see for the result. Oh, you can also adjust for the times. Okay, just click play button here for the result. So that's how to make the slow motion video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.